Welcome to Science class with Miss Wirdia. How are you today? I hope you all doing good. Now, we're in chapter 4. We are going to learn about water. All living things need water to survive on Earth. People can go weeks without food, but can live only a few days without water. All life on Earth depend on water. But what comes in your mind when thinking about water? We usually think of water in the liquid form. This is makes sense because in the fact, 2/3 of Earth or up to 71% of Earth covered in water. However, water has 3 states. The first one is liquid, the second one is solid, and the last is gas. The water we drink is in the liquid state. The water takes the shape of its container. For example, from the picture, the water takes the shape of the glass. Ice is water in solid state. The example of solid state is iceberg. We can find iceberg at the north and south poles. The third state of water is gas or water vapor. Water vapor is water in the form of gas and it is all around us. For example, the windshield or glass fog after the rain. And then the second example, when you boil water, the water has the vapor or gas. Remember, all forms of water have no color, no smell, and no taste. Now, where can we find water? We can find water as ice on mountains, in the lake, in the river, in the sea, and some water fall from the sky as rain or snow. Earth's water is almost everywhere. Above the earth is in the air and clouds, is on the surface of the earth in rivers, oceans, and inside the earth is in the top a few miles of the ground. Now let's move on to the uses of water. Water is an important resource with many uses, including food production, cleaning, transportation, power generation, recreation, and many more. We drink water every day and also use water to make drinks, for example, tea, coffee, and so on. Also, we take a bath using water for staying hygienic. We also wash our clothes using water. We use water to clean and mop the floor in our house, and we use water to flush out all the waste in the toilet. Water helps us to clean the utensils we use to cook and eat. And your plants need water every day to survive. If you have pets, your pets need water to survive. And use water for cooking. Now let's discuss about water dissolve. Have you ever mixed or stirred something into a glass of water? What happened? Do you think everything can mix with water? If no, which things disappeared into the water when you stirred? Now let's see if we add water with sugar or salt. If we mix water and sugar or water and salt, it will dissolve or disappear and leaving a clear solution. How about water and coffee? Part of the coffee will dissolve in water, coloring it brown, and the rest of the coffee bean will not dissolve or disperse through the liquid and will float. How about we mix water and oil? If we mix oil and water, it will not dissolve. The oil will float on top of the water because the oil is less dense, and because the oil molecules will not mix with the water molecules. After we learn about water and the uses of water, we also must care about water. Polluted water can harm the animals that live in the water. What is water pollution or polluted water? Polluted water is the contamination of water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, and groundwater. It is usually caused due to human activities, for example, global warming, deforestation, and fuel spillages. Polluted water is harmful for humans to drink. How to prevent polluted water? We can keep the water clean by throwing our rubbish into bins. And we can also wash our car or motorcycle where it can flow to a grassy area instead of a street. Water pollution contains many things. 35% contain of synthetic fabric, 28% contain of tire, 24% contain of urban pollution, 7% contains of paints, and 4% contain of sheep wool paints. Now, think about how our action could stop pollution and finish the following list. Write it down and hang it where you can see it. Let's do this list. Because we already learned about air, and today we also have learned about water. Now, write a list how to take care water and air, or how to prevent water pollution and air pollution. Ms. Wirdia has done the first list of water pollution and air pollution. For example, for water pollution, we do not throw trash on the street, and for air pollution, choose walking over cars. Your job is to finish the list and then we can review your work during Zoom learning. Well done! That's all for today's learning about water. We'll see you later in the class. And don't forget to finish your list about water pollution and air pollution. Thank you for learning with Miss Wirdia today. Thank you and see you. Bye-bye.